Hello, welcome my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Raghuveer Deshpande from Pune, Maharashtra State, India would like to welcome you all in Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. For paid online consultation, you can definitely WhatsApp me on 9226810630. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, my dear friends, today's topic is constipation and the different Panchakarma techniques that you can apply in your practice or for the patients. This information will be also useful because they will understand what exactly the constipation, what can be the causes, and what can be the Ayurvedic management. Okay. So constipation, first, we will like to see the pathogenesis and symptoms. The affected channel, according to Ayurveda, the word is srotas. Which channel is affected? Which part is affected during the process of constipation, during the disease constipation? So large intestine, according to Ayurveda, it is called as a Purisha Vah Srotas. This is a culprit. इसमें problem है. Although all the doshas can take part in the pathogenesis, involvement of Apana Vata. There are 5 types of the Vata dosh: Prana Vayu, Udana Vayu, Pran, Udan, Vyan, Saman, and Apan. Apana Vayu is controlling the nervous system part at the lumbosacral spinal cord. That means from there you get the signals, reflexes, urinary reflex, defecation reflex, then during the labor process, then also the semen ejaculation. All these are a menstrual cycle. All these are under control of the Apana Vayu according to Ayurveda. Okay, the muscles of the large intestine lose their tone. उसकी जो टोन होता है, संवनन बोलते हैं आयुर्वेद में, स्ट्रेंथ होती है, वो कई कबार बिगड़ जाती है, either automatically or maybe some viral infections, bacterial infections, or genetically. But when the tone is damaged, then you suffer from the constipation. The main cause of constipation at physical level is dietary. That means your diet is definitely faulty diet, incorrect diet. Eating food stuff which is difficult to digest, उससे अग्निमांद्य हो जाता है, according to Ayurveda, अजीर्ण हो जाता है, loss of appetite, indigestion. Okay, so red meat is very dangerous because it is heavy to digest. This is heavy to digest. Then eating the lot of cheese, eating fast foods which are pre-digested. Fast food plus fast lifestyle is equal to fast death of the cells. This is the slogan by Professor Deshpande. You write down, fast food plus fast lifestyle is equal to fast death of the cell and sometimes fast death of a person. So don't go for fast life, don't go for fast food. Okay, irregular eating timings, faulty food habits, eating food with low roughage, excessive intake of the tea and coffee, sleeping late at night. All these are the causes for constipation, and you must avoid these causes of the constipation. Causes, what they do? They Vata Prakop. The typical word from Ayurveda is Vata Prakop, aggravation of Vata dosha, Rukshata बढ़ जाती है, dryness will increase. Okay, and that leads to the constipation. Again, another causes, withholding the urge of defecation. Ayurveda में इस शब्द को वेगावरोध कहा है. What Ayurveda says, there are some natural instincts, natural urges, like for example, food eating, thirst, defecation, urination. These are natural signals of the body. If you suppress by force, by your mind, or if you generate of your own, then that is very bad for the body. Okay, it creates the imbalance in the nervous system signaling. Okay, sometimes mental factors, like for example, the patient has a lot of stress and he cannot sleep properly. So insomnia also can cause constipation. Working late at night, the people who are working as a night shift, they definitely suffer from constipation. Nervousness, tensions, stress, worry, grief, fear are also responsible for constipation. So there is not only physical element, but psychological element as well. Okay, other factors of विशेषण of वात दोष, वात प्रकोप के अन्य कारण, जैसे कि that means old age. Naturally, when you 40 plus, 50 plus, the dryness of the body day by day increases, and that causes the constipation. Bed rest for a longer time, no mobility of the body, sedentary lifestyle. This is also the cause of constipation. So these are the medical factors, or consumption of too many medicines. Even some modern medicine antacids, they can also cause the constipation. Okay, so you have to see the previous history, what the patient is suffering from, which medicines he is taking, and then only we can give Panchakarma or any Ayurvedic medicines. Habit of using purgatives or laxatives for a longer period. कई लोगों को, too many people have the habit of taking the good morning churna or any triphala churna or any XYZ churna or the powder or the tablets every day, or even not only tablets, but taking many times soap water enema, modern enema. I am talking not about Ayurvedic Basti. I am talking about modern medicine soap water enema. If you take this enema frequently, that further damages your intestine and makes more and more dryness. And that is a vicious cycle. So you cannot get rid of your constipation problem. So be careful. Don't take too many enemas for your constipation problem. Okay. Next, constipation treatment. Treatment depends upon whether the constipation is acute or within a few days, or it is a chronic for years together. If for the acute type, the best treatment is to give oil enema first, followed by decoction enema. Oil enema, sesame oil enema by the simple glycerin syringe with the rubber catheter is the best treatment for acute constipation. That is called as a Anuvasana Basti in Ayurveda. Vasana means eating. This particular basti is given after taking the food, not before the food. So Anuvasana Basti is oil enema, Sneha Basti, Matra Basti, very little, 50 cc/ml. And then Asthapana Basti is also called as a Niruha Basti. Niruha or Asthapana Basti is with decoction plus oil. In Anuvasana, only oil. That is the difference. Okay. Or introduction of glycerin suppository in the rectum. This is effective almost immediately. Afterwards, the patient should be advised about proper diet and should be put on proper laxative herbal treatment. For example, according to his constitution. Triphala Ghanavati is a market available. Triphala Ghanavati, 2 tablets at night with warm water for minimum 3 weeks the patient should take. Now, constipation treatment for the chronic type of constipation. The best treatment is whole body oil massage, because Ayurveda believes that constipation, malavashtambha, is because of the vata prakop of or the due to the ruksha property excess. Dryness is more. There are different properties of vata dosha. Tatra ruksho lagushitaha kharasukshmachalo nilaha. Okay, as constipation is vata dominant, oil massage every day to the whole body or at least at the weekend, as well as to the abdomen in clockwise circular manner around the umbilicus is very helpful for the long run. So best treatment for vata dosha is snehana and svedana. Snehana is oiling, lubrication, and Svedana is a fermentation. So Snehan and Svedan are supposed to be the best treatments for any Vata disease. Okay. Constipation treatment, Basti, medicated enemata, Ayurvedic, not soap water enema. No soap water enema. Okay. This is very effective in most of the types of constipation. A series of medicated enema can be advised. To start with, 50 cc of sesame oil enema is given Anuvasan Basti gently before going to bed, that is after food. Next day, 450 cc of 10 roots, that is Dasha Mula in Ayurveda, Dasha Mula Niruha Basti, or castor root decoction, Eranda Mula Niruha Basti, can be given with 20 cc of sesame oil mixed in it, that is Dasha Mula Niruha or Eranda Mula Niruha. Such type of 3, 7 or 11 pair of what? Anuvasan Basti, Asthapan Basti. This is one pair. So if there are 3 pairs, 7 pairs and 11 pairs, Karma Basti, Kala Basti and Yoga Basti, these are the names for these Bastis. Ready-made oil enemas are also available. You can get it trained from your doctor and you can take it of your own or with your relative or with your friend. These particular enemas are available from Vidyananda Lab, Mumbai. So you can search on the Google. You get Vidyananda Lab is the name of the pharmaceutical Ayurvedic company from Maharashtra state, Mumbai, and they are selling ready-made pouches for Anuvasana Basti or Sneha Basti. Okay. These are useful to make the colon mucous membrane soft, gentle, lubricated, and thus that is why improving the function of colon, that is formation of soft stool, easy for evacuation. For that, 1 teaspoon of the ghee with cup of hot water or hot milk in the evening is advised as a preventive measure for 2 weeks after the course of medicated enema. Ayurvedic Basti. Okay, this is best home remedy for the old people. This is geriatric tonic, I can say. And this geriatric tonic, ghee with cup of milk, also can prevent the constipation or vata diseases like backache, body ache, leg pain, arthritis. So get your bowels very regularly opened. Alternatively, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil or castor oil with hot water or even warm tea on empty stomach can be used for 5 days in a week for 1 month with warm tea. Why I'm saying warm tea or what you can say the ginger water? Because this castor oil, when you drink, can sometimes cause a typical spasmodic pain in the stomach. To avoid that, you should take any warm things like warm water, warm tea, warm ginger tea. That is the best treatment, or anupana, vehicle, media to take the castor oil. Triphala, that is 3 myrobalan powder, that is triphala powder, 5 to 15 grams can be added to this particular oil in hard type of the colon. Next, last but not least, Udar Tail Basti, that is also called as a Nabhi Basti. In this warm medicated oil, that is Narayan oil, prepared from Shatavari Asparagus racemosus, is retained 20 to 30 minutes over the umbilicus and surrounding abdominal area with the help of application of circular dough prepared with wheat flour and the water. So this is called as a Nabhi Basti. This is the best treatment to prevent and to cure constipation or malavashtama. So my dear friend, this is all about the constipation and Panchakarma. If anybody of you required any medical type of advice, paid online consultation, you can WhatsApp me on 9226810630. कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्य की सलाह लेना जरूरत है, ऐसा मैं डिस्क्लेमर लाते से कहता हूं. I request all of you to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button icon to get the notification of next interesting videos. I wish all the best. Take care and see you soon.